इंडिया के अनौब क्रिमिनल लॉ अहम भारतीय न्याय संहिता, भारतीय नागरिक सुरक्षा संहिता अमदी भारतीय साक्ष्य अधिनियम की मतंगदा ममुत ताना खंगमिनबा अमसुंग खन्ना नैनाबा ngarangdagi chatharakpa 2 days orientation program on new criminal laws ngasi nini chanba aroiba numit ki oina changes, development and challenges in terror related offences in the new criminal laws ki matangda Khanna Neinakhre session pangthokhi. Imphal ki city convention na ngarangdagi chatharakhiba ngasi ki session adugi moderator Manipur Judicial Academy ki joint director M Manoj Kumar na oikhibaga loinana resource person oina National Judicial Academy Bhopal ki research fellow Shruti Jani Eusebius na terrorism ki thouwong da makhal kayagi criminal offences amadi judicial procedure ki matangda wafam kaya thamki. Manipur State Legal Services Authority amadi Manipur Lenga ki Department of Law and Legislative Affairs na punna sinduna pangthokpa orientation program asigi ngasi nini chanba aroiba numita Masal Sagi member secretary Alex Muivana introductory speech piki orientation program asigi ngasi nini chanba aroiba numita session mari thokna khaidoktuna nungthil pung mari makhai fauba thouram pangthokani.
Today, after BNS coming in, we have a new set of laws. But this law has evolved over time. Let's just look very quickly at the trajectory of this law. 1860, we had the IPC coming in. At that point of time, there was a chapter 6, offences against state, had two major offences, waging war and sedition. The word terrorism is not used in IPC at that time, but today, if you understand these offences, they would be what we would understand to be falling as an offence against national security, a terrorist offence.